Again. Fuck him again! Easy. Could blow off your head! Easy. No push me.
Easy.
No test my patience.
No shaking now, we go see later now. No shaking.
Hold it there.
Officers, they agree to. I'm fine.
Where are you going and where are you coming from?
Okay, I just go bring baby. They go house like this.
What is inside your bag? Let me see it, please.
And now baby, now the baby will bring.
Can I see it?
Now the baby, you.
I know. Can I see it? I'm not dragging with you. Let me just see it.
Okay, no problem.
What is inside of here?
And now chief, now he send me I go collect baby from.
Chief. Which of the chief?
Hey, no, wait. Jesus!
What the hell is going on here?
I said, what the hell is going on here?
Command! When he was coming and searching, this is what I saw.
What? A pistol?
Yes, sir.
Officer, let me talk the truth. Let me say the truth. Now, person send me I go collect this baby. Now that chief with this.
What? What have you done? Since when have you been ordered to shoot? Sir, you opened the fire without the permission of the commander? I'm sorry, sir. I have just... Please talk. Come and shut up your mouth.